Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to MT Paradise's Cars and Collectibles. If you clicked on this video, you guys are here to see two Amazon black boxes. This is the case J, whereas it's listed as the case I on Amazon. So I'm not really sure exactly what to call these, but we're going to go ahead and these ones did come in a little beat up. So we're going to open these up. Hopefully there's no damage. And if there is some damage on some, then maybe I'll open those up and run them on my Hot Wheels 6-lane raceway, because I do have some upcoming videos of racing some cars on the raceway. So definitely like and subscribe so you can stay tuned for when those videos go live. But go ahead and pop that open. And I do have a previous video of part 1 opening this case, or these two of these cases. So we're going to go ahead and get into it. So right off the bat, we got the 62 Corvette Gasser, and then the Honda Civic Custom. Alright, so we got the 84 Pontiac Firebird, and the Porsche 911 GT3. The tuned twin mill, and right there we got the regular treasure hunt. We got the 95 Jeep Cherokee, and right here on that back corner you can see a white little treasure hunt logo, if it'll focus. But this right here, let me turn it upside down so you guys can kind of see it a little bit better. Right there you can see the treasure hunt logo and the text behind the car. But that is awesome. We got the regular treasure hunt, and who knows, hopefully we'll have the super treasure hunt in this case. I'm really hoping for that. But let's go ahead and continue with the case and we will see. So we got the Solero GT right there, and then Batman the Animated Series Batmobile. Alright, we got a Lucid Air, Count Muscula, alright, 87 Ford Sierra Cosworth, and then Nissan Maxima Drift Car. Then we have the tuned 83 Chevy Silverado and the 84 Mustang SVO. And where the damage was on the box is actually where these two cars were sitting. And somehow they are like perfect. Not even like a little ding on the cardboard or anything. Wow. So we got the Mercedes-Benz Unimog 1300L and the Custom 11 Camaro. And that's it for this case. And no super in this case, but we still have the other one to open up. And yeah, where all that damage was is right here, and the cars came out perfect. So sometimes you can't judge a case by its box, because a damaged box still could result in perfect condition cars. So let's go ahead and open up the other box here. Just go ahead and cut the seals there. Alrighty. And I'm really hoping that this case is different, because sometimes with these Amazon black boxes you'll get cases that look very similar to each other. Alright, so we got the Porsche 911 GT3, and then we have the 84 Pontiac Firebird, the Honda Civic Custom, 62 Corvette Gasser, Batman the Animated Series Batmobile, the Solero GT, and right there we got another treasure hunt. We got the 95 Jeep Cherokee. So obviously got two in one case unboxing video. And we got the tuned twin mill. So who knows, maybe in this box we'll have the super. That would be awesome to be able to have two treasure hunts and two supers all together. But let's go ahead and continue on and we'll see if that happens. So we got a Lucid Air, and then Count Muscula. Alright, so we got the Custom 11 Camaro, Nissan Maxima Drift Car, the tuned 83 Chevy Silverado, Mercedes-Benz Unimog 1300L, and the final two cars are the 84 Mustang SVO and the 87 Ford Sierra Cosworth. So we did not get the super treasure hunt from this case, but we still did get two regular treasure hunts, which is still an awesome find. And especially when it's like a Jeep. I know a lot of Jeep lovers definitely love when the supers are, or when the regular treasure hunts are like real cars. So that's pretty awesome that we still got these. I will say I do have a couple more of these cases coming, so definitely stay tuned. There will be a part 3, but as you can see, I have a lot of other case unboxing videos on my channel, so definitely hit that like and subscribe button so you guys can see all these videos when they went live. Also, I got some other cool like display things as well. There's going to be links in the description down below so you guys can go pick up like this cool display shelf or even like cases like these Amazon black boxes. But like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.